Good morning, science fans. Welcome back to your weekly roundup of the biggest science stories. I'm Ben, and I'm Patrick, and we've got some incredible updates for you today. First up, the news that has everyone buzzing: Comet 3I Atlas. Following the end of the US government shutdown, NASA is finally set to release some of the best quality images ever taken of this interstellar visitor. These new pictures come from the HiRISE camera aboard the Mars Reconnaissance orbiter and are expected to be even sharper than what we've seen from Hubble. This is huge because 3I Atlas is no ordinary comet. So, what exactly is 3I Atlas? Well, it's only the third interstellar object we've ever spotted in our solar system. That means it doesn't belong to our cosmic neighborhood. It's a traveler from somewhere else in the Milky Way galaxy. Scientists aren't entirely sure where it came from, whether from the galaxy's thin disk or its older thick disk, depending on its origin. This comet could be over 7 billion years old, making it more than 3 billion years older than our own sun. Trying to trace its birthplace is a real challenge, partly because its surface has been transformed by billions of years of exposure to cosmic rays. Imagine being bombarded by high-energy particles for that long. Observations from telescopes like the James Webb have revealed that the comet is roughly 7 miles wide, about the size of Manhattan, and is currently hurtling through our solar system at a mind-boggling speed of over 130,000 miles per hour. Just about 2 weeks ago, 3I Atlas made its closest pass by our sun, an event known as perihelion. Now, it's heading towards its closest approach to Earth, which will happen on December 19th. As it gets closer, it's shedding its highly irradiated outer layer, or coma, leaving a trail across our solar system. We've even seen some stunning new amateur photos capturing the intricate structure of its tail. The comet's exotic nature, from its unique chemical makeup to its sheer size, has fueled a lot of speculation. You might have even heard theories about it being an alien probe, especially since astronomers detected radio signals coming from it. Now, before you get too excited, these signals are actually typical for all comets and are not signs of extraterrestrial communication. While the alien probe theory is almost certainly not the case, astronomers are still incredibly excited. Studying 3I Atlas could give us unprecedented insights into the conditions around other stars, the history of our early galaxy, and the vast, mysterious frontier of interstellar space. We can't wait to see what those new NASA images reveal. Switching gears from deep space to low Earth orbit, there's some drama happening aboard China's Tiangong Space Station. 3 astronauts from the Shenzhou-21 mission are currently stuck in space. Their ride home, the Shenzhou-20 return capsule, was used by the previous crew to get back to Earth, leaving them without a safe return vehicle. Chinese space authorities are now scrambling to ready an uncrewed replacement craft ahead of schedule to bring them back. It's a tense situation and a reminder of the inherent risks of space travel. We're wishing the crew a safe and speedy resolution. And finally, a major shakeup in the world of artificial intelligence. Yann LeCun, one of the so-called godfathers of AI and Meta's former chief AI scientist, has made a bold declaration. He claims that large language models, the technology behind systems like ChatGPT, are essentially a dead end for achieving true artificial intelligence. LeCun argues that these models lack a fundamental understanding of the physical world and common-sense reasoning. They can mimic human language brilliantly, but they don't truly grasp the meaning behind the words. Instead, he believes the future lies in what he calls world models, which would allow AI to learn and reason about the world in a way that is much more like how humans do. It's a controversial take that's sparking a huge debate in the tech community, and it could signal a major shift in the future of AI development. That's all the time we have for this week's science news. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest discoveries. See you next time.